Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to track savings goals in Goodbudget. Yes, you can absolutely track savings goals in Goodbudget. The app is based on the envelope budgeting system, which is a great method for saving money. It allows you to create virtual envelopes for different spending and savings categories. To track a savings goal, you can use what Goodbudget calls annual/irregular envelopes or goal envelopes. You simply create an envelope for your specific goal, such as vacation fund, new car down payment, or emergency fund. When you set up a goal envelope, you can specify the target amount you want to save and a due date. Goodbudget will then calculate how much you need to save each month or paycheck to reach your goal on time. As you add money to this envelope, you can see your progress. The app tracks how much you've saved so far and how much you have left to go. This visual tracking can be very motivating and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.